Hello my dear listeners, I will do a specific video about silver and I will explain why I am extremely bullish on silver. I start finding myself more bullish than most of you YouTubers out there. So I will give you the reasons why. It's not just, because I'm feeling like that. And really important point, I don't want a price to rise up too fast because I want the price stay low for as long as possible to accumulate more and more silver. That's, and I completely don't understand why people are complaining about prices not rising so fast. If you are still the silver buyer, you should beg for the lower silver prices. That's the main point. Now, why I'm extremely bullish on silver. Go watch the Vision Victory. Really good documentary he make. A really good documentary, just 6-something minutes. I'm gonna link to this. And he pointed out of the major fundamentals of the supply and demand in silver. The only one he forgot, or I'm not sure he mentioned that 70% of silver production, it's a byproduct from mining other metals. So it's extremely difficult to increase actually the production of silver. The mine's not going to mine 100 times more other metal to extract 1% of silver from that. So exploration and everything takes 7 years minimum before the mine starts to operate. So when after investment comes, you have to wait minimum 7 years, most likely 10-12 years, okay, before you can actually open the new mines. And there is it's really extremely difficult to find the new mines in a contemporary world. So don't expect the production to increase magically from something, and the demand will increase mostly from monetary side. And why am I extremely bullish? Because I'm seeing that once the people bought the silver, once they touch the product, they start look what it is, they find the fundamentals, and they go back and buy some more. So everybody is already who bought the silver, like myself, 2 years ago, 3 years ago, 4 years ago, 5 years ago. There is a big chance that they will go back and buy some more. And that's already enough to be bullish on silver. The second part, when the people who didn't buy the silver yet, then they will be rushing in, and there will be more and more of those buyers coming. And the third factor, that industrial demand will increase. So the deficit between demand and production will be widened. And when I'm seriously thinking about a physical squeeze, of course there is a lot of speculation how really silver is out there, how demand is big. We don't know exactly, but for sure the consumption is larger than the production, and it's the biggest players in the market already acknowledge that. So the prices, we know also it's kept low for the political reason and for the lack of transparency. But the things are, the suits are there, mainstream news are attacking, everything is exposed. So you just have to see enough investor catch up and break some levels. And it doesn't, because there is an infinite amount of dollars out there, compared to the small supply of the metal that you can buy. And there is a few stocks of the company that produce those metals that are out there that you can buy. So it doesn't make large amount of money. It doesn't need to be large number of people. You need just few more Indians, Russian, Chinese billionaires who just because those people are constantly looking for how to invest their money. And I can say if just all the Russian or Indian billionaires decide to put 10% of their saving in the physical silver, you will see the price do a double and triple after that. Okay, it doesn't support by the evidence this statement, but just think how little of the supply is over there. Just go and open your favorite bullion banks that you use and think how little money you actually need to buy all their inventories. And once this inventories is dry, and you have people coming there for 10 ounce, 50 ounce, 100 ounce, small buyers, and they don't find any, you know, you will see that the price will rise. And if there is this correlation in the paper and the real price, you know, wherever, who cares? You can see like a silver at $5 in the paper, and you will have to pay $100 premium, and the price will be $105. If it has to get to ridiculous like that, it will. You know, premium can be wherever number you like. If the paper prices goes down, sure, yeah, you put paper price 1 cent, no problem. Like I charge you $200 a premium over spot. So, you know, like just think you can play the numbers the way you like there. You can play with email, paper dollars the way you like there. But it's really difficult to extract this metal with so many industrial use, with so many useful characteristics. It's really difficult to extract it, and the supply is really limited. And you have to realize that. And the main thing I think you have to understand, that the money can fall really fast. I'm listening everybody, they will state all the fundamentals for the paper currencies falling, but after that they will say something, okay, I think maybe the price target for silver for next year it's $45 or $50. You know, and you see that the logic doesn't work in there. The money will fall more. The money will fall more, and once people start feeling inflation, it will be like a hot potatoes. The money will become like a hot potatoes. They will grab wherever, and they will just buy everything. They will go buy at Home Depot. They will buy shovels. They will buy screws. They will buy nails. They will just rush at the store with the credit card. They will, you know, they will. All this money from the black market will come, and those people will be cashing in for something. And think just how many printed dollars is out there, and how small portion you need just to make a big move. So, yeah, normal mechanism apply, and situation can stay like this. That's okay. Remember, I want the price to stay low as long as I like, but I think it's not going to be the case. Thanks for watching.